Taking attendance. You can take attendance for a lesson from several places. The first place is from the calendar. Select the calendar from the main menu. Navigate to the lesson, select it, and select Take Attendance from the pop-up message. This will take you to the Take Attendance page. The second place is from the Classes list page. Select Classes from the main menu. Select the year and semester. And find the class from the list. If there is a lesson scheduled for today, the Take Attendance icon will be blue, and selecting it will take you to the Take Attendance page. If there is no lesson scheduled for today, the Take Attendance icon will be white, and selecting it will take you to the Lessons list page. The Lessons list page is the third place where you can take attendance from. Find the lesson from the list, and select the Take Attendance icon, which will take you to the Take Attendance page. The Take Attendance icons have the same color coding as the calendar. Select the color legend to expand it, and to see the meaning of each color. To take attendance, select one of the 5 attendance options. The status options are built in, and include present, late, absent, excused and vacation. Present will give the student full credit for attending the lesson, and is equal to 100%. And absent will give the student no credit, and is equal to 0%. A late equals the value of the late grade. This could be the global late value that the school uses, or the late value that the class uses. The class late grade overrides the global late grade. This is set in the Class Settings page. The global late grade is found in the Settings, in the Grades page. For more information on the global and class late grade, see the appropriate help tutorial in the Class Grades section. The excused status exempts the student from the lesson. An exempt lesson does not affect the student's grade. It's as if the lesson didn't exist. Student exemptions can also be entered in advance, for 1 or more days, and for 1 or more classes. When exemptions are created in advance, they will be reflected here, with the status automatically marked, excused. The teacher can then see that the student is exempt, and skip their name during roll call. Student exemptions are created in the student's exemption page inside the student profile. For more information on how to add student exemptions, see the appropriate help tutorial in the student section. Vacations are similar to exemptions, and also do not affect the class grade. Vacations are also created through the exemptions feature. For more information on how to add student vacations, see the appropriate help tutorial in the student section. Please note, if you don't see any students in the Take Attendance page, it means that there are no students enrolled into the class. Check to confirm that you have enrolled students to the class. If you still don't see any students, confirm that the class you're looking at is from the appropriate year and semester, as classes are per semester. For example, a winter semester class is not the same class as the spring semester class. On the Take Attendance page, the page will automatically save your changes, and you do not need to select Save. After each selection that you make, you will see a save notification in the bottom right corner. When finished taking attendance, you can select Go Back to return to the Lessons page. If all students are present, you can use the Mark All feature to mark everyone as present. The Mark All feature will not change any currently selected statuses, including previously entered exemptions and vacations. It will only mark empty statuses as present. The Mark All button will then change to Clear All. To clear all attendances, select Clear All. Please note, exemptions or vacations that were created using the exemption feature in the students' profiles will not be deleted. Only statuses marked here will be deleted, even ones marked as exemptions and vacations. The Clear All button will then change back to Mark All. To clear a single attendance status, select the X by the student's name. You can also take attendance from some of the reports, including the daily attendance report, the monthly attendance report, and the performance report. For more information on how to take attendance from within these reports, see the appropriate help tutorials in the Reports section.